Hey, DLVTT, that is a tongue twister sometimes. Thomas from Denmark, thank
Hey,
you for joining
Thomas.
us. We have some mail here to open from
From Thomas, and
Thomas.
that's one of the reasons we had an earlier show today is
Yes,
because he's in Denmark, so it's quite late for him. It's already 11
it's
p.m., I
already
believe.
almost midnight, so
So want to make sure that he can get to bed and get to
yeah,
work on time tomorrow
because
because
he's
he's been putting in crazy hours supporting everybody lately,
yeah, he's
and
an awesome supporter of
yes,
all the
we
channels.
really appreciate that DLVTT, but please get
Get
some
some
rest,
sleep.
buddy. You can watch the replays. We'll catch you another time. Don't change your life for us, but we appreciate it.
We do.
Okay,
Anyways.
well, let's move on to mail
All
here.
right.
Hey folks, viewer mail time again. Oh, here's one from Sally, age 14. Dear Pig, aren't you interrupting a story at the most suspenseful part? Well, the answer is yes, Sally. Yes, I am. Keep those cards and letters coming.
Let's us
Okay.
safely open this really taped up box.
Okay, here we go to
Thanks, Thomas.
there we go to the mail cam.
I don't know. Okay, yeah, let's try here. I think we got a seam here. Seems like it. This is a really taped up box, Thomas.
Well,
He wants
it's
us
got to
to-
make it from
I
Canada,
know.
from Denmark to Canada.
I know, but okay. I hope I don't cut anything in the box.
All right, you could see another live ER visit here, guys.
You guys.
We're praying that it doesn't happen, but hi, Dr. Hamilton. Did we miss you?
Hey, Dr. Hamilton. I think, yeah, we have the worst short-term memory, guys. So if we miss saying hi to you guys,
It's not on purpose.
wave hi again.
Or else because
And
things
yeah.
have gone by so fast.
Or because
Super
we're
chats
about
for
to-
stitches, MBH says.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
We're
got
just
it.
about there. We're just about there.
Oh my gosh.
Holy man. Well, oh, easy.
Yeah.
All
okay.
right, put that away.
All right. Holy crap. We got a little card first. Oh, wow. He's got
Holy.
personalized cards even. It's cool. Can you see it?
Yep, we can see it.
Oh my goodness. Dear Gordon Tamara, here's a little appreciation for the support of newcomers into the Las Vegas community. The warm welcome are very important, and as a foreigner, it's even more important since traveling can be a challenge when you're 5,500 miles away.
Wow.
You have from day one given me a very warm welcome. Your shout out in your live streams was very important for me and have helped get in contact with so many lovely live streamers in the community. I hope the mug has survived. Okay, well, I think there's a mug in here. Have survived the journey. There's a special story behind it. This mug is one of a kind. It's the first DLVTT
Wow.
mug ever made. That's awesome. It's the only one with failed print and thereby also a little, I'm not sure, unique merch,
Yes.
I think. I hope you will accept it as a small gift as a thank you. I hope to see you soon, your Danish friend, Thomas,
Aw.
aka DLVTT.
That's so
That's
awesome,
so
Thomas. Thank you, buddy.
Check out, that's his magnet with his logo. And, oh, we got some, oh yeah, Gambling Granny and Dice got some of these recently too. It says, from Copenhagen to Las Vegas.
That's so cool.
And then his DLVTT.
Logo.
And they are glow in the dark. So
Nice.
that's really cool. So we're excited to wear those. And let's see here.
Let's see, did the mug make it? Suspense.
I can see why it was so well wrapped now. All right. Uh-oh, I might need the knife again. Nope, I think maybe. I think I need the knife again. Yeah. Oh, it made it!
It made it, Thomas!
Awesome! That's so
awesome!
cool. Is that, yeah, the biggest strip? And
It looks
then,
like the
yeah,
strip. Yeah, that's his
yeah,
logo. That's perfect.
that's so cool. Thank you so much.
So awesome, DLVTT. We really appreciate you spending the time and effort and money to send that all the way to Canada,
Yeah.
and your patience waiting for it to get here.
And G will definitely use this mostly because he
Oh,
loves
yes.
tea, hot tea every day. He has it like a
The
million
next
times
stream we
a
have you on,
day.
Thomas, because he was actually on Vegas Tips and Tricks celebration for his 20K.
Yeah.
He was on that stream. Whoops. He was on that stream, and he was chatting with us. So the next time we have a stream together, I'll have that cup maybe working in the background.
Thank you so much, Thomas. We really, really appreciate that really nice card
That was so
and the
nice.
gifts.
Yes.
And if anybody else wants to send us mail, just send us a private message. We don't have a P.O. box, but we'll send you our address. We appreciate any mail. But if you're going to be sending anything like too big and you know you're going to be meeting us in Vegas, just bring it to us then, because Canadian mail is crazy long and expensive to get to. What did he say?
Midlife Ride say, I thought you swore off the knives
I know,
in bed.
I thought we did too, but I needed it for
and
that
then
one.
DLVTT is, that's a recipe for the ER tomorrow with a knife.
I know. I'm okay, guys. He said, G&T, you've done so much for me. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Hope to see you soon and the rest of the community very soon. It's been tough time not to be able to travel, but the community have helped on the connection and feeling of Vegas.
We agree.
That means a lot to me.
We
Thank
agree.
you all. We agree for sure. Hey Kia Bell. I don't think we
No, we missed
said
Kia.
hi to Kia.
Hi, Kia.
Thank you, Lisa and Drew. I saw you wrote something nice here too. Sorry, said you're the best people. We appreciate that. And we hope, yeah, you can all come to Rocktober. I know Thomas is trying to come to Rocktober. Hey, Sin City Reviewer, thank you for joining for a bit. We appreciate it.
Yes, if somebody could drop DLVTT's link. He is on our friends page, but if somebody has the ability to grab his personalized link, that would be great if someone could drop it in chat for us.
Yeah.
We really appreciate that. I've just got a little bit too much going on here to grab it right now, but I would appreciate that. Lots of great channels in here, guys. If you're not subscribed to them all, please go and subscribe to them. Support them all. Mark, the other me, actually said on his stream today something that was really good, and he basically said, you know, when you're starting out, or even when you're not starting out, those subs mean a lot. Seeing that subscriber count goes up, lets people know that, you know, what you're doing is a good thing and it's a positive thing, and people are enjoying the content. So please try to support everyone.
Thank you so
very
much, Lucky Dog
Ace,
and Ace.
Lucky Dog.
Yep, thank you very much.